1. Build a pile of snow about 7 to 8 feet, 2.1 to 2.4 m high. Pile the snow in a rounded shape to make your eventual shelter less likely to collapse. Poke several 2 feet (0.61 meters) long sticks through the top of the dome once you finish. These will serve as guide sticks when you eventually hollow out the inside. If possible, mix snow of different temperatures, i.e., frozen snow with partially melted snow, to give your shelter a harder surface. 2. Poke several guide sticks through the top and sides of the mound. You'll use these sticks to keep the sides of your shelter equally thick when you go to hollow out the inside of the mound. Use sticks that are each 2 feet (0.61 meters) long to give the sides of your shelter the optimal thickness. Poke these sticks throughout the entire outside of your mound, keeping them about 1 to 2 feet (0.30 to 0.61 m) apart from each other. 3. Give the snow about an hour to freeze, if you can. The snow will have partially melted when you piled it. If you give it time to freeze, your shelter will be much sturdier. If your situation is more urgent, try to allow at least 15 minutes for the snow to partially freeze. If your situation isn't urgent, allowing your snow up to 90 minutes to freeze will make your shelter even stronger. 4. Dig a small entrance to your mound on the downhill side. Use a snow shovel to simply dig a small hole in the side of the mound that you'll eventually use to enter and exit your shelter. Placing this entrance on the downhill side of the mound will make it less likely for the entrance to be sealed if more snow is piled in front of it, such as in an avalanche or a snowstorm. 5. Hollow out the center of the mound to create a small enclosure. Starting from your entrance hole, continue digging into the center of the mound and begin hollowing out the inside by removing snow in each direction. Stop removing snow in a particular direction once you run into the 2 feet (0.61 meters) guide stick you poked through the top of the mound earlier. This will ensure that the walls of your shelter are 2 feet (0.61 meters) thick, which is the ideal thickness for it. If you didn't use these guide sticks before, avoid making your walls so thin that they're translucent. If you can see sunlight shining through, they're too thin. 6. Make a fist-sized hole in the mound ceiling to provide ventilation. Use a thin trowel or ice pick, if you have one, to create this hole without making it too wide. Try to place this hole in the center of the ceiling to best maintain the integrity of the structure.